Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. I am so excited for today's video. I placed a small little order, so this is going to be a pretty small haul from Temu. I have been on this like beauty room decor, just going ham with buying things and getting my beauty room together. We've been in this new home in Texas for 2 years now, and I am just now like finalizing everything in my beauty room. So I wanted to share with you guys what I bought, what they look like, and also how I'm going to decorate them. I am excited because I love decorating. Like in another life, I wish I would have been like an interior designer, because seriously, it's like my passion. I love home decor. So anyways, with that said, you already know, grab your cafecito and let's jump right into today's beauty room decor haul featuring all items from Temu. So you know it's going to be affordable and good. Let's jump right in. Jumping right into it, I'm going to show you guys the prettiest vase. Oh my goodness, I've been wanting one of these, and on Amazon they're pretty expensive. So this one from Temu, I will insert the prices through here. Look at this beauty, like body goals, right? So this is a white vase and it has a beautiful shape of a woman's body, and it has a cute little booty on it too. Like, can I get that, please? So the theme in my room is actually silver, white, black, gray, like those tones, cool tones. I just love black. I have a lot of black throughout my home. And with my vanity right here, because it does have little like silver knobs, I was like, you know what? I'm just going to stick with silver, white, black, gray theme, because those are the colors that I like anyway. So I got this little vase, and I actually ended up ordering some Faux Pompas, and I did get them in black because I really wanted them to stand out. So this is what they look like. It comes with three, let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, I believe. So I think I'm gonna put them in this vase right here. Not sure how I like how this looks. Maybe I can do some flowers later on. Let me know what you guys think of this one. But I thought the vase, it was so cute and so like elegant, and the pampas are really cute as well. I may even leave it on its own and add some like dainty flowers. But for now, I thought this was kind of cute. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below what your thoughts are on this specific little decor. Up next is something that I've also been eyeing on Amazon for a long time. I actually have a list, like a wish list, where I have beauty room decor items that I've been wanting to buy, and I haven't bought them. So this is a 3-piece frame. This is the second one, which is kind of like the back of a lady's body, and you can see her hair. And then the last one is super cute. Look at that one. Oh my gosh, I love them. Like all three of them for a super affordable price. I knew I couldn't pass them up. So I am planning on putting these up right here, and I will be inserting clips so you guys can see and get an idea of what I'm doing. Up next are these two little statues, I'm gonna call them. And again, I got them in white because all my drawers are white. Like pretty much everything in my room is white, in exception to artwork that I have up there. But I did want to add some touches of black. So I got these. I thought these were super cute. I definitely want to get some books and then maybe put these on top, but I haven't gotten any books yet. I randomly got this. The reason why I wanted to get this, I'm not sure what it is. I don't know if it's like a coaster or if it's just meant for decor, but I actually wanted this so I can use it for my foundations. I love mixing foundations, so I'll do like 1 squirt of one foundation, 1 squirt of another, or my concealers or my setting powders. I'm always like making a mess everywhere, so I figured I would get something cute like this and kind of just use it. And the best thing is that I can clean it and reuse it over and over again. I've seen these unscented candles everywhere and they're super expensive. I don't know if this one was unscented, but it definitely has a really delicious scent. I am not going to burn it. It is strictly for decor purposes, but this is what it looks like. It's just a cute little cube shaped, full of little round balls, and this one you can use it to decorate pretty much anywhere. I'm definitely going to move some things around right here and add these and the other products that I got, but I have been wanting one of these for so long and they're so cute. So I got this little wax decor. I do have rug in my room, which honestly I wish it wasn't rug. It would be so much easier to keep it clean, but whatever. I ended up ordering a cute little heart-shaped rug. I think you'll be able to see it better if I hold it from the back. Do you see that? And it's a furry little rug. I'm not sure where I want to put this one. I don't know if I want to put it right underneath my vanity in this area or if I want to put it in this other area, which is where I work. This is where I edit my videos, answer emails, Zoom calls, like all that stuff. So I'll show you guys and we can decide together where we want to put it. I saved the best for last. So this is a super soft throw blanket, black, of course. I am always cold up here and I wanted to keep a blanket specifically for my makeup room. I really want to use it maybe on my chair. I have this white chair, which is such a huge mistake if you guys are wanting to look, or if you're looking for a chair for your makeup room, do not get a white chair, you guys. I don't know what I was thinking because it is so dirty and stained, like the stains do not come out. But anyways, I saw this rug, this blanket, and I just could not help myself. I think I'm gonna have to wash it first, but it is so big and so cute. Oh my gosh. Like the size of it is like, do you guys see that? Like this thing is super big, which I am not complaining because I love wrapping myself around in blankets. So what did you guys think of the decoration? Let me know if I should move any of these items. Any tips that you guys have for decor? Like I said, I absolutely love decorating, but I'm also always open to any ideas, any suggestions. If you guys want to order anything, I will have everything linked in the description box down below. Don't forget to check out Temu because guys, they have so much stuff. Like you'll go crazy wanting to order everything. I've gone crazy so many times. But anyways, that is it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you all. Stay safe, and until next time, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.